2, 1. Go in the general direction of the enemy. Watch the right side. I don't know if they're pushing anyone through alley. 1919? 1919. There's one behind Brown House.
Sure, where are they?
I don't know if there's anyone in Brown, but a lot of shooting comes from that direction. Really?
Yeah.
Come on, Marcus. Not now.
Yeah, 1919.
I still don't have a shot on him, Jesus. What? Back here? Trying to find the dude in 1919? What? Huh? And if you want to come back, I'll give you my pistol so you can use it. You get hit?
Oh, not yet, not yet. Alright, I'll just go back there. Oh, okay. How many mags you got your M4?
Huh?
How many mags?
I have 3. I have this and then 2 high caps. I got him! Holy shit, that was a good shot. That was cool. He was... Huh?
You got the way now?
Huh? Just shoot it now, it should work. Sometimes you have to rack the slide before you shoot. Dude, I managed to hit you when you were jumping. That was great. Did I hit you when you were jumping up and down? I'm surprised.
I saw you, I'm like, fuck.
Yeah, I'm moving left. I don't see him. Do you guys see him? They're on the left side. Hit. We got shot in the pinky finger.
Yeah, whose shit is that out there fucking ripping, dude?
I know. Speed gun, I hate those things.